Hello, and welcome to the fourth and final part of CompuTube's fourth lesson on computer basics. In this lesson, we will go over the final few icons on the taskbar, located to the far left of the taskbar. Follow along now to learn about this final part of the taskbar and complete the series. Let's look at the bottom left of your taskbar and explore the Start icon. The Start icon is the hub of your computer. If you click on the Start icon, the icon that shows one box divided into 4 boxes to the left, you will see a list of all the downloaded apps on your computer. Your computer has multiple different useful apps, similar to apps on your phone. Apps are extra applications that allow you to do specific things. The same way apps on your phone allow you to listen to music, take photos, play games, etc., apps on a computer will let you use the whole range of abilities your computer has to offer. You can access any downloaded app here by clicking on it, and you can go to the Microsoft Store to download new apps. Be careful though, just like with phone apps, some apps are free, but some you have to pay for. Start is also where you can access your Photos app, which is where you will be able to see all the photos downloaded on your computer and even edit them. Start is also where you can access your computer's settings. This is where you can change any of the basic computer settings like date, time, language, display, and more. This is a very important application to know. Not only will it allow you to change basic settings, but it is also where you can find any updates your computer may need to go through. Updates are a very important and normal part of your computer. Once every few weeks, your computer will need to go through a series of updates to make sure it is running on the most current version of your operating system. Though it is many people's instinct to avoid updating their computers, it is important to regularly update it. Otherwise, your computer will not run properly and may even stop working. To check to see if your computer has any updates, click on the Start icon, then the Settings icon. Here there should be a category called Windows Updates. If you click on this icon, you can see any updates your computer may need to undergo to perform optimally. Simply click on the update and schedule a time to allow your computer to complete it. Updates can take several hours and often require your computer to restart. To ensure this doesn't cause any loss of work, make sure you have saved all of your files that you are working on before allowing your computer to update. Once you allow it to update, make sure you leave your computer running for a few hours to give the updates adequate time to download. It's a good idea to begin the updates once you have finished your work for the day and don't need to use your computer for a few hours, as you will be unable to use your computer while it updates. Occasionally, your computer will send a pop-up telling you that you need to update it if it has been too long since your last update. It will usually give you an option to schedule an update at a later time, which allows you to schedule it for when you will not be needing your computer. It will give you the option to restart later, but if you do this multiple times in a row, your computer may be forced to update randomly when you are using it. If this happens, don't panic. You will see a screen telling you what % of the updates that have been completed so far, so you know how long you have left. It may take a few hours to complete, so you may need to step away from your computer for a bit. A spontaneous restart can destroy any unsaved work you may have been working on while your computer automatically restarts, so make sure you are always saving your work or have the autosave option turned on for your projects to avoid losing any important work. This concludes CompuTube's 4th digital literacy lesson on taskbar, files, and more. We hope you've enjoyed the series and learned some new things about your computer. Check out the other segments in CompuDop's Digital Literacy series to learn even more about how to use the internet, email, and more. Thank you so much for watching and have a wonderful day.